Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. We are the League of Prudence from RM Kingston College E&I department. We are proposing this idea to make sure that it helps the organizations to follow up the SCR's efficiency and make sure that it does not fall below the appropriate level. My teammates will now explain the process and its applications.
SCR setup which we have done. So as my friend already said, SCR is like we are reducing the NOx effect which is being sent to the atmosphere. So we have developed a setup based on that. So first, in order to measure the incoming gas from the SCR, we have evolved a gas sensor. And in order to get the output of the gas, we have involved another gas sensor. And in order to measure the temperatures of the value which are being sent to the atmosphere, we are using a temperature here. So from the SCR, we have to take the data is like diesel flow, mass flow, and temperature, the gas values, and all, and that data has to be sent to the cloud. So for that, what we have did is we have taken all these data and we have given to a Raspberry Pi. So like the diesel flow and mass flow, in terms of physical ways, we are not able to explain that. So that we have randomly generated a code for that in Raspberry Pi. So I'll run the code now. So as you see now, we have specified a particular unique ID for each of these engines, and the engine ID is given, and mass flow, diesel flow, which we are randomly running in the code is shown here, and the gas sensor value and the temperature value is displayed here. And the efficiency is like manual computation methods. We have given it in our code, and so it is displayed here. And we are sending all these values to a cloud. So we are connecting this Raspberry Pi to a Google Cloud via the Wi-Fi slot available in Raspberry Pi, and through that we are making a live monitoring system. The further monitoring system would be explained by my friends.
Beginning of the software part, I want to clarify first that the data which are available in the online in this model, we are using Raspberry Pi to send the data from the Raspberry Pi to the cloud. In the cloud database, we have created an instance to get the data, and the program has been already uploaded to it. At first, the Raspberry Pi will generate an automatic data, and it will be uploaded to cloud. From the cloud, our website will get the data. In our website, first we have the home page. In the home page, a simple description about the company. What are the backend things we are using? We are using two tables. One table is to get the data from the cloud, and another table is used to maintain the engine IDs which are having malfunctional efficient values. So first, let's see about how the website looks. This is the home page of our website. The engine ID. So we are having a number of engines in our company. In the real-time model, each engine will have a peculiar ID. We are going to search the engine by its ID only. When Raspberry Pi sends data, it sends 5 parameters with its engine ID and mail ID also, because when the engine is efficient or any other parameters goes less than the threshold limit, the mail ID will receive a message about what's the problem there. So in this page, the latest 25 updated values will be given. All the 5 parameters with diesel flow, mass flow, NOx value, temperature, and the determined efficiency. Efficiency will be calculated already in the Raspberry Pi. We also made a visual representation of what our values are. This is the graph about what are the values produced. It will automatically update for every 5 seconds to get the latest value. A show all button is present to get all the graphs such as efficiency, diesel flow, and then the NOx value, mass flow, finally the temperature. To get the certain parameters alone, if you want the graph, we can choose it by buttons, such as from these buttons we can get the graphs of efficiency alone or mass flow alone, like that. So we have received a mail from our Raspberry Pi indicating that our engine efficiency is low. It's saying a message, our engine efficiency is down, please service it as soon as possible. By this method, the user will get the data. In further features, we want to inform the users about the peculiar data from example, like from measuring the mass flow defect, we can say this part is affected, such as by measuring the various values we can directly approach the customers and tell what they have to actually change. This will reduce the customers' problems and issues. Thank you.